Hi, I'm Brenda Thompson, registered dietitian and owner of Life Skills Nutrition. In this segment, I'm going to talk about batch cooking. When you are creating and planning your menus, it's very important to know that batch cooking will help you out if you work on the weekends, even at night, doing your grocery shopping and cooking throughout the week so that you have healthy, low-calorie, low-fat options throughout the week. Making food in bulk and freezing it later is a great way to keep from ordering out or dining into a fast food restaurant when you are famished. That's when you make poor decisions. There are a variety of foods that can be made in bulk and frozen for later consumption. The internet is loaded with low-fat, healthy recipes that can be made up ahead of time. Some examples are veggie whole wheat lasagna, low-fat meatloaf, green chili enchiladas, stuffed bell peppers, stuffed butternut squash, Tex-Mex casseroles, and manicotti. Remember, the whole point of cooking in bulk is to prevent overindulging in taking out or fast food. The recipe should be low fat and eaten in healthy portion sizes.